It's not, we're not lifting it so much. We can
Like
try
this?
it. Try it.
Ready?
Wait a second. Gosh, that's not good. Wait a second. Amanda always squeezes my hand, so squeezing my hand isn't good. It's better. Wait a second.
Right, let's try it. Okay, here we go.
Wait a second. My leg.
Okay,
Wait, leg caught. Back it up, for legs caught.
Okay.
Are you on the top?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
Right to the kitchen.
Right to the top. No, don't tip it down.
We're not.
Well, it's us then. It can't be. All right, up. All right, lose the straps.
I can't.
Go hold on. Give me a hand there, Raymond. Oh, never mind. All right, turn it around here. We got the front.
You got it. Yeah, I got
Someone get the door.
Hold on. Okay, Raymond, here, Chuck. It goes out, man, but the damn sure don't spin the other way. What's wrong with that?
Lift it or what?
No, she's gonna have
All right.
Watch.
You ready?
We're not top 30 yet. We got 2
Well, we'll get it up. Get up to the top. One more. Hold on. We're at the top?
Not yet. One more. Ready?
No, I mean, you got it. Okay, go. Push.
Ray.
Get hold it down and pick it up. All right, cool. All right, turn it. Okay, good job.
Door, man.
All right, I'll get that.
Oh,
door.
shit.
Hold it open.